Hi, my name is Fatin. We from Group 1 will present about the instrumentation and control system for water tanks level control system. So we choose this equipment because it is simple, easy to understand, and commonly used in industries such as water treatment, plant, cooling system, and manufacturing process. So the main purpose of this system is to maintain the water level inside the tanks at the desired set point. So if the water level is too high, overflow may happen. But however, if the water too low, the level is too low, the pump may run dry and damage the whole system.
This picture shows the water storage tank, which is the main equipment in our system. The tank is used to store water and supply it continuously to the next process. So in the assignment, the tank is labeled as TK101. The picture shows the pump. The pump is labeled as P101 and its function is to transfer water from water supply into the storage tank. So the pump helps to provide enough pressure and flow rate so that the water can enter the tank properly. However, the pump and tank cannot operate without the control. So if the inlet water flow is too high, the tank may overflow. So if the water level becomes too low, the pump may run dry and become damaged. Because of this, the system needs instruments such as level transmitter, controller, and control valve to keep the water level stable.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Ibn Maruzi. My matrix number is B132310654. So I'm gonna continue the presentation with process description and control loop. So the main equipment in this system is the water storage tank labeled as TK101. So the water enters the tank from the water supply through pump P101. The inlet flow is controlled by the level control valve LCV101. The water level inside the tank is measured by the level transmitter LT101. The signal from the level transmitter is sent to the signal indicating controller LIC101. The controller compares the actual water level with the set point. So if the water level is too low, the controller opens the valves to allow more water to enter the tank. If the water level is too high, the controller closes the valve to reduce the inlet flow. This is called a feedback control system because the system measures the tank level and uses the measurement to control the valve. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Faiz Idham and I will explain about variables and instruments. In this system, the control variable is the water level inside the tank. This is the main variable that we want to control. The manipulated variable is the valve opening of LCV101. By changing the valve opening, the inlet flow rate into the tank can be controlled. The disturbance variable is the outlet flow rate Qout. This is because the outlet flow can change depending on water demand. The main instruments used are LT101, LIC101, LCV101, FT101 and PT101. LT101 measures the tank level, LIC101 control the water level, LCV101 adjust the inlet flow, FT101 measure the flow rate, and PT101 monitor pressure in the pipeline. The signal used by the instrument is usually 4 to 20 milliampere, which is commonly used in industrial control system.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. My name is Aikam Devan Murhan. My matrix number is B132310656. Okay, so I'll be continuing for calibration, safety, legal, environment, and conclusion. Okay, so calibration is important to make sure the instrument give accurate readings. For the level transmitter, calibration can be done by comparing transmitter reading with the actual water level in the tank. For the flow meter, calibration can be done by comparing the measure flow with reference flow standards. For the pressure transmitter, calibration can be done using pressure calibrator. The main issues for this system are tank overflow, low water level, pump dry running, leakage, and electrical failure. To reduce these risks, high-level alarm, low-level alarm, and pump protection can and should be used. For legal issues, the safety issues, the system should follow workplace safety requirements and proper engineering standards. For environmental issues, the system helps prevent water waste, leakage, and flooding around the equipment area. So, in conclusion, the water tank level can be level control system is simple but important industrial control system. It uses instruments such as transmitter, controller, control valve, flow meter, and pressure transmitter to make sure the tank level remains safe and stable. Thank you.